In this video, I'm going to explain a new update regarding demand gen campaigns in DV360. Let's discuss the shift from VAC to demand gen. YouTube and partner video action line items, also known as video action campaigns or VAC, which focus on driving conversions. As per the latest update in platform, starting from March 2025, creating new YouTube video action line items will no longer be an option. To replace this, DV360 is bringing the top features of YouTube video action line items to demand gen, which will also include Floodlight optimization and reporting, third-party verification with YouTube brand safety partners. This update begins in October 2024, where you will be able to manage demand gen campaigns alongside other line items directly within the platform. We recommend keep up to date yourself with demand gen line items in preparation for this upcoming change. Features comparison between demand gen and VAC. Expanded reach. In the current VAC line item, the reach is limited to YouTube and its partners. However, demand gen extends your reach beyond YouTube to include Discover and Gmail by default, which allows broader audience targeting. Multi-format creative storytelling. In VAC, only one type of YouTube ad is available. With demand gen line items, you can run multiple ad types such as YouTube video ads, image ads, and more, all within a single line item. This offers more flexibility in creating formats to engage your audience effectively. Another feature, more relevant specific audiences, helping you reach new and qualified users who are more likely to engage with your brand. The combined audience option from VAC has been replaced by lookalike audience in demand gen. This feature allows you to target audiences similar to your existing customer base, helping you to reach new qualified users who are more likely to engage with your brand. Let's discuss on how to set up demand gen campaigns in DV360. In this slide, you can see screenshot of line item types. The highlighted one is demand gen line item, which is currently in its beta version. In VAC line items, you are required to choose both an objective and a line item subtype. With this new demand gen line item, you are not required to select a media type or objective at the line item level. The setup process is same until the IO level. Select the demand gen as line item type. There are few differences between demand gen line item and VAC as shown here. You will notice only 4 targeting options available for demand gen. In content, keyword exclusions and inventory sources. In audiences, day and time, and technology, device. Other settings such as language and geo-targeting, which are typically set at line item level, can now be adjusted at ad group level. This provides more flexibility to set different language and geo-targeting for a single line item. Another difference in targeting is, under inventory sources, you cannot limit inventory to YouTube and partners. You can also include Discover and Gmail within this line item. All options are selected by default, but video partners is optional. Next, for YouTube VAC line items, maximize clicks are not available. For demand gen line items, you can see 3 bidding strategies. One is maximize conversions, target CPA, and maximize clicks. If your goal is to maximize conversions, choose maximize conversions as a bid strategy. This strategy works well when all conversions are equally valuable to your business. If your goal is to drive traffic and capture demand, choose maximize clicks. You can also use target CPA if you want to focus on cost per action. In VAC campaigns, there is an option for frequency capping. This setting is not available for demand gen line items. Now let's create an ad group and select the audience you would like to reach. At the ad group level, you can set general options such as placements, keywords, categories, demographics, and audience list, which is similar to other YouTube line item types. One of the major difference between other line item types are you can control geo and language targeting at ad group level alongside audience targeting, something VAC YouTube line items don't offer. When choosing audience targeting in VAC, you can target a combined audience. However, in demand gen ad groups, lookalike audience are available. Lookalike audiences is a new audience solution unique to demand gen campaigns at Google. It helps you to reach new qualified consumers outside your existing customer base by expanding the reach of first party seed audience list. By leveraging your first party data, Google will use its AI powered audience signals such as past purchases, website and app activity, or even YouTube engagement to match and identify relevant audiences. Google combines these inputs with powerful audience insights, helps to target what truly influences consumer behavior. The quality and diversity of your creative assets are key to achieving campaign success. In VAC, only one video type is available with options displayed as shown in the screenshot. Whereas in Demand Gen, it allows for multi-format creative storytelling which broadens narrative scope for marketers. The ad level includes four sections: ad type, media, text and URLs, and tracking. Additionally, Demand Gen ad levels offers options beyond those available in VAC such as logos, business name, landing page URL suffix. In the ad type section, four types of ads available. For now, let's focus on video ad type. In media section, for videos, you can select up to 5 YouTube videos for your ad. It's recommended to include videos in all aspect ratio to ensure optimal display across placements. You can add one logo by selecting a square image to represent your brand in the ad. You can add up to one logo by selecting a square image in 1:1 ratio to represent your brand in the ad. For video, carousel and product only ads, exactly one logo is required, whereas for image ads, you can include up to 5 logos. For companion banner, you can either use an auto-generated option or upload a custom image manually. Now another section is text. Add a headline which appears as primary line of the text in your ad. You may include up to 5 headlines to promote your product or services. Add up to 5 long headlines which sometimes replace the standard headline as a first line in your ad. In the description field, provide additional context or details to complement the long headline. Choose CTA text that directs viewers to take action. Enter your business or brand name, which may appear within the text in certain layouts. In the URLs and tracking section, fill in the relevant details for your ad types. If you click on more options, you will have an option to specify a mobile landing page URL, landing page URL suffix, and custom parameters. Let's review for other ad types also. Image ad type. In media section, add up to 20 images and up to 5 logos. Text, enter up to 5 headlines and 5 descriptions. Also add CTA text and business name. URLs and tracking. Fill in the necessary URL and tracking details. Cards, add up to 10 cards and 1 logo. Text, include a headline, description and business name. URLs and tracking. Enter all relevant URL and tracking information. Once the ad is added to the ad group, and cross-check all the other details to complete the setup. Advanced features. The search lift study is a newly added measurement in experiment section. To access it, go to advertiser's account, select experiments and click create new under lift studies. This new feature allows search lift to measure how YouTube video campaigns and demand gen campaigns drive online search activity for your brand or product. Search lift measures the impact of your ads on users' likelihood to search for your product or brand on YouTube and Google search. You can use these insights to refine and optimize your campaigns, helping you achieve your marketing objectives more effectively. In lift types, select search lift, add 1 to 3 search times per ad group, press enter or separate with commas. You may create up to 5 groups to compare different search types. This concludes our overview of demand gen line item. Once after launching your campaign, monitor for any disapprovals. Increase your daily budget to maximize conversions and follow best practices to evaluate and enhance your campaigns over time. For the complete demand gen guide, follow DV360 Help Center. Thank you.